Welcome to Timebeat Breaking News channel. Here are our breaking news today. 1. Single dose of COVID vaccine can nearly have transmission of the virus. 2. COVID-19's cases of infections have been recorded in the ship of Queensland.
COVID-19. Single dose of COVID vaccine can nearly have transmission of the virus. A single dose of a COVID-19 vaccine can slash transmission of the virus by up to half, according to a Public Health England (PHE) study. The PHE finding offers further hope that the pandemic can be brought under control, as it indicates that vaccinated people are far less likely to pass the virus on to others. The study found that people are given a single dose of either the Pfizer or AstraZeneca vaccines, and who became infected at least 3 weeks later, were between 38% and 49% less likely to pass the virus on to people living in their homes, compared with those who were unvaccinated. The Health Secretary, Matt Hancock, said, "This is terrific news. We already know vaccines save lives, and this study is the most comprehensive real-world data showing they also cut transmission of this deadly virus." He urged everybody to get their vaccines as soon as they are eligible, and make sure you get your second dose for the strongest possible protection. Data out last week from the National COVID-19 Infection Survey run by the University of Oxford and the Office for National Statistics, ONS, also found that vaccines were likely to cut the transmission. Just one dose of either the Pfizer or AstraZeneca vaccines cut coronavirus cases by nearly 2/3, and were 74% effective against symptomatic infection, according to real-world UK data. After 2 doses of Pfizer, there was a 70% reduction in all cases, and a 90% drop in symptomatic cases.
COVID-19. COVID-19's cases of infections have been recorded in the ship of Queensland. 7 new COVID-19 cases reported in Queensland have come from a gas tanker off the Sunshine Coast. The state recorded 9 cases overnight, with the other 2 detected in hotel quarantine. Deputy Premier Stephen Miles said that they've been working with the ship's crew for some time as they streamed down from the state's north. It's possible more cases will come from the British-flagged Inga Kozan in the coming days, and Mr. Miles said the government was deciding whether patients would be treated on board or taken ashore. Consideration is being given as to whether infected patients can be quarantined on the vessel to reduce risk to the rest of the crew, and Mr. Miles said healthcare had been provided aboard ships in similar cases. It comes as an audit investigating the fit testing of personal protective equipment in the state's hospitals revealed widespread inconsistencies and deficiencies. A requirement for all staff working with COVID patients to be fit tested and fit checked at the start of each shift, flagged by the government, was also welcomed by Ms. Mole. As of May 10, all staff working with COVID patients must be fully vaccinated as well as having PPE checked, Health Minister Yvette Dath said. The majority of hospitals are all doing the right thing, and have been doing this, but we know we can do better. Thank you for watching. We help you stay up to date all the news hourly. Please subscribe our channel to follow up the latest one.